welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm starting today's vlog on a very different or / important note. I'm all seated, makeup done. It's because today's vlog is proudly sponsored by Jay's Finder. I'm sure you guys have come across this brand on Instagram a couple of times, but it is a brand that really intrigues me with what they've come up with. So just in case you're like me and you're sick and tired of losing items, I mean like your car keys. Sometimes I'll be in this house, my phone, I cannot find it, and so many other things, my car keys, my house key, something. I'm always looking for something. Sometimes even this little box that has my camera battery, I don't know if you find that. I look for my things a lot, especially when you have a toddler at home that always picks up your things every now and again. But now Jay's Finder has come to help me solve my problems. Okay, so Jay's Finder is a little device, just a little device right in here, this small, that you attach to like any of your valuable items, your car keys, your house keys, your camera, your laptop, your iPad, your phone, whatever it is that you always lose. You can simply attach this device to any of those items that you always lose, and you can find it in literally seconds. Okay, so this is what the pack looks like, and I'm just going to open it real quick so we can see what this device looks like. Okay, it comes with a little manual. It comes with a quick start guide on how to use the device. And yeah, opening it up, this is what it looks like. So that is the device right here. Okay, literally looks as small as a key holder. Like, it's that small, guys. So let's do a quick demo and see how this works. So of course you'd have to download the Jay's Finder app. I will leave it right here. You have to download the app on iOS or on the Play Store, and you can easily just register. This basically works with your Bluetooth. What I'm going to do now is just to activate the Jay. So this device is actually called the J, okay? Jay, J, all right? So I'm gonna activate my J right here. So there is a button right here. I'm just going to long press this button here. All right, and I'm just going to pair right here, and it's activating. So right now my J is now activated. So I'm going to just try and place this on my car keys, because Mia is obsessed with my car key holder, and most times I tend to look for my car keys. So I'm going to place this J on my car keys and place it somewhere and try to find it. Okay, so these are my car keys. I'm just going to place the J somewhere. Okay, all right, I'm just going to attach it like this. All right, and I'm going to keep it a bit far away from me, okay? A bit far away from me. And I'm going to try and find my car keys now using this J. So I'm going to do that right about now. I'm excited to see how this works, okay? Right there, okay? So it literally rang on my car key. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So you can do this basically with any of your, items that you clearly always lose. Like I said earlier, it doesn't have any limit to what item you can put this on, and I'm super excited that there is an invention like this. I think it's a super genius idea in my opinion, and I'm super happy to be working with Jay's Finder. So if you want to cop a device like this for yourself, I will leave all the information in my description box below. Their Instagram page, their website, even on the screen. I'll put it for you guys on the screen right now, and also in my description box, so you can go get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 for yourself and your many items. Okay, thank you again to Jay's Finder for sponsoring this video, and let's get right into the rest of today's vlog. This is a day after I got my hair done. I used a silk scarf because that's what they would advise you to use to keep the styling in place for a bit. This definitely needs to be popped up a little bit. But yeah, the silk scarf will help you keep the hair in place for a little, at least for a while. I think it looks okay. I'll just use this to pick out the coil when I'm ready to step out. But anyway, guys, what's up? Today is Sunday. We're going to church this morning. It is just some minutes before 9 a.m. Church is at 10. So I'm just trying to get ready. All I have to do is have my bath and wear dress. I don't like to put on makeup when I'm going to church, especially the church near my house. If it's my parents' parish, I most likely would have to, but then you wear a face mask and cover the whole makeup, so what's the point? So I just wear dress and be going, but I'm not going over to there today. I'm just going to the one close to my house. You do not know what I'm going to wear. I should kiss you. You people hear me, Mom, kiss me. Hey, okay. That's all she wanted. She just entered my filming room and was like, Mom, kiss me. Imagine. Looking for something simple to wear today. Maybe not Ankara, because I opened my Ankara car closet now and I'm just seeing complicated clothes that I don't feel like wearing. So this is my other closet. These whole closets in this room belong to me, by the way, and they are filled with clothes. And I keep giving out and they are still filled with clothes. I'm just looking for like the next easy breezy thing. The weather is so hot in Abuja, so wearing long sleeve this morning, it's already so hot. Let me show you guys the sun. Like, that's the sun peeking through one of my windows. It's not even 9 a.m. yet, and look at the sun. You finished what? You finished your juice? Did you enjoy it? Was it tasty? Did you like it? Good girl. I think I'll wear this dress, even though it's long sleeve, but what will I do? It has a bit of sequin on it. It's lace, and best part is that it doesn't even need ironing, so I'm happy about that. So I've just decided that we'll just go over to my parents' parish, my family parish. And Mia, I want you guys to see Mia's outfit of the day. Beautiful. I love your dress. With these cute shoes. I'm so obsessed with these shoes. Mama, turn around for mommy. Come on. Yes, so pretty. Look at all that sparkle. Look at all that sparkle. Hey guys, so let's head out. It's already 10:15. Mass is at 10, and it will take me a while to get to the location of the church. It's not as close to us, you know, as this other one. So anyways, let's go. Good morning guys, hope you guys are doing good. So today is Monday and it's barely 6 a.m. I'm heading over to my parents' place because Momsi is traveling today. Yeah, so Momsi is traveling today. She's going to the US on vacation. Man, it's going to be a whole 1 month before I see her again. So I'm going to escort her to the airport, myself and my dad. And yeah guys, that's where I'm heading to right now. Like, I need to still sleep. God. Anyway, let's go.
Like so many times before, we look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars. Like so many times before, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Guys, I'm finally back home. This had to be one of the most stressful mornings. One of the most stressful mornings ever, because there was a lot to do. International travel has become so complicated these days with this whole COVID thing. so many forms to fill and to show, so many documents to just show, so many things to do. Plus Momsi even had excess, so trying to remove things from her box to put in another box, to at the end of everything, more than 1 hour of reshuffling boxes and contents of the boxes, we still had to pay for the excess, because at some point we're just like, what's the whole point? Just pay for the excess. It was a whole lot. Like, it was a whole lot. If I was not there with her, I don't know how she was going to have coped. I don't know how she was going to do it, because my dad was not even, couldn't even bend too much, his back and stuff. Almost crazy. And then some of you were asking in the last vlog that you saw Mom see why she was wearing a neck collar. She just has some strain in her neck. Usually that happens when she's stressed. So she's been super stressed out the last week, and then she just has, you know, pain in her neck, so she wears a neck collar to relieve the pain, you know, which she also traveled with as well. So don't be alarmed, it's nothing serious, okay? Many of you really showed concern in the last vlog where she appeared. It's nothing serious, she's fine, okay? Yeah, so this morning has already been super busy for me, way too early, okay, way too early. But I do have a lot of work to do this morning. I have a couple of sponsored ads to film, and yeah guys, that's gonna be it. I probably will talk to you guys later. I do have an event to attend today. I'm not sure if I'm going, because to be honest, I'm already exhausted. This is not even 10 a.m. yet and I'm already exhausted, but we shall see if I can attend this event. Let me first of all do my work and all of that, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I've decided to end today's vlog here. I did go for that event, and you guys will see that in the next vlog most likely, so stay tuned for that. Fingers crossed you would see that event in the next vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Mom says chillaxing, relaxing where she is right now. Like, the woman, see, my mother can overstress and overwork herself. You guys don't even understand, okay? She's always stressed out from work, stressed out from also extracurricular activities. Like, you would think that for somebody who works all week, she would take out her weekends to rest, but no, not my mother. She must find somewhere to go on Saturdays. Either somebody is getting married somewhere, or one thing happening, CW or something. Like, she must always find something. So I'm super happy that she has now traveled to go and rest, because she needed that rest. She needed it. There are no distractions from her resting now. She must rest by fire, by force. It's been a couple of days since she left, so we've spoken and she's having a blast, okay? She's having a blast and just catching up with her son and her daughter-in-law, her sister, her family basically. She's just having a good time, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments. As usual, subscribe, share, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, or well, my next video. All right, bye.